Welcome to How Ines Rolls. We are going grocery shopping, and as you can tell, it is late at night, and I'm with Paul. Let's go! So apparently our kids eat a lot. They are growing, and I'm kind of looking for food that they can just quickly heat up themselves when I'm not wanting to cook. Am I right? They should be able to do that. So there's a few things I want to get, but I'll show you what we do get. So late at night grocery haul is not so easy, and I actually thought there would be like nobody there, and there were so many people there. I think everybody had the same idea we did. So I will get to show you some of these great things that we got this time, and I'll tell you we spent about $130 for this week. So let's get started. So I got some different spices, because when I make my own seasonings, like I make pumpkin pie spice and I make my own taco seasoning, I use a lot more of these inexpensive yet. You know, I usually, these are pretty inexpensive, but I like getting them better at Winco's open bins because then I can get exactly what I need. But we were at Walmart and they were under $1 each, so I feel like that was a good price. And then we got some tortilla chips. I just like to always have these in the pantry because you just never know when you're gonna make some taco soup. I do it all the time, or just a snack. So I have actually a good dip recipe coming up that I wanna show you that will go with these chips, or it could be used with the chips. I just got some of these for lunches, this and some deli ham. Now I love using this one. It's got, I always feel good about this one because it's got like just ingredients that I could read on the back that's not hard to pronounce. So it's pretty like natural, so to say, for ham. And then I got some more store brand Crystal Light. I have a recipe coming up and I can't wait to show you. So some stuffing. I bought this for Paul. And I hope it doesn't have, oh, it's got corn tortillas. So it's good for Paul. So he is gluten-free. And you guys, I had a serious aha moment while we were shopping. And it made me kind of bummed. But I've been making dinners with cream of chicken soup. And there's probably flour in it. Most likely there is because we saw gluten-free versions of the soup, the chicken soup. Can I even think? No, because it's 11 o'clock at night. So it kind of made me start thinking like I need to kind of figure out dinners that would be better for Paul when we are having like a crock pot meal with, you know, the cream of chicken soup in it. So stay tuned, because when you see those recipes and I'm filming, I might have 2 versions of the same recipe, right? I'm thinking about this. I got some more milk because the boys have been eating a lot more cereal, and I think we're getting kind of low now on the cereal I have in the pantry. Hallelujah. So some produce I got some more apples, and did you see the varieties that they're starting to bring in? Those were beautiful, and I love this time of year just for the apples. So got some more Gala apples. I got a smaller bag, the 5-pound bag of potatoes, and they smell okay. So yes, I am particular about smells. I'm not going to pick up the one that smells like it's got a rotting one or kind of like a rotting one. I'm actually smelling more for like this gas that's like being omitted that smells like burnt rubber or car tires. And I try to stay away from things that just smell like bad chemicals, Come on, no brainer, right? Another, some other stuff that I got were some Roma tomatoes. I love these, and I pick the firmest ones because then I know they'll last a bit longer. But they're my favorite. I love them on my bagels. And I got some broccoli, some fresh broccoli. So I can make some, maybe some Parmesan broccoli coming up this week. Maybe we'll do some of that. I had to stock up some more on this because I've literally used almost all of the cans that I've already used or I've already got with other hauls. So that's about 10 cans already. But they were for just my family. I made stuff for other families too. And it's just that time of year. So I also just got some some foil and some baggies. That's kind of just maintenance stuff. But one of the reasons I knew we needed to go was to get food that the boys can just quickly make for themselves, like when they get home from school or when I don't want to make dinner. And so I got a couple of boxes of these mozzarella sticks. These were just $1.88. So I think that's a great price. Kobe loves these, so we'll see what he thinks. And I got a bigger pack of these sliced cheese. It is just mild cheddar, but Kobe doesn't really, he really likes the mild or the medium. And so he just makes like a cheese sandwich sometimes. So I got more because we ran out. I got some more chocolate chips. I also got 2 bags of these thin sliced chicken breasts. These ones cook so fast, and so I like getting them. I might be paying a little bit more, but I think for the time that I'm saving, it is all worth it. So I got 2 bags. One Paul will grill for a lot of his meals, and then I have a couple of recipes that I hope to get out of them. So can't wait to show you. I've been buying my boys goldfish crackers, but I got these Cheez-Its this time. It was just more cost effective for their lunches. So we'll see how they like the change. And then I got these little teeny tiny flour tortillas for Ezra, so he can have some quesadillas. I'm not a huge fan of grocery store just flour tortillas because I think that can taste the ickies in it, like the preservatives. So I like to get the organic ones from Costco, and that's usually the only ones we get. So if I can't find those, then I guess we're not having flour tortillas. We'll just have corn, and luckily we all like corn tortillas too. So I got some Canadian bacon for a recipe coming up. And I got these chicken taquitos for the boys. They are in flour tortillas. So this is a new product for us. So I'll have the boys try it out, see if they like it. This is kind of hit or miss with all of this stuff. So, they look good, right? For breakfast, I got some sausages. And sometimes we like to have breakfast for dinner. Let me know in the comments if your family does as well. I even know families that don't like to have breakfast in the morning. They would prefer to have it later. Sometimes that's us too. So we all have different schedules. And my second oldest son, who gets out to the bus, he's got to be out like at 6 in the morning. So it's not like we're having breakfast together anyways. I got a couple of Grandma's sycamore breads. So I'll go put these in the freezer. So we are near the end, and I'm so glad because it's so late now and I have to wake up pretty early tomorrow too. So, not well thought out, but that's okay. I got a couple of these emergency pizzas. Do you guys get these? Let me know. Just something that you can get to pretty quick. So I have a few of these kind of meals this time because the kids are needing them. They're eating tons now, and it's expected. I've got growing boys, you guys. I also got this. This is some steak fajita mix. Now, these are mostly for Paul, so I might just give him this with some corn tortillas or just make some like red rice, and he can have it with red rice for lunches. And maybe I can meal prep some of these and like kind of have them ready for like a few days. We'll see how this works. Another thing for Paul, I got him some beef jerky, and it was a 5-pack, so that's pretty good. I've also been finding little packs of beef jerky that are a recognizable brand from the Dollar Tree. So that I just told Jonas that I would go to the Dollar Tree and see if I can go find some more. We were running low on some oil, so I just picked up a little bit more. Just some more cheeses. Here's some Parmesan and some Swiss, and these are for recipes. Can't wait to show you guys these recipes. So I think they just look delicious. I went on Pinterest and pinned a couple of them, so I can't wait to share. Some peas and carrots. And oh, I got some meatballs. So these can just be easily cooked with some sauce and either just eaten like that, or I have some garlic bread in the back where the kids could just put some on that if they want. It could be a quick, easy dinner as well. Now, we aren't huge fans of leaving them in the whole ball. Like, I like to chop them up into quarters. I know, a little bit different. And then one of the last things besides, oh, I did get some more bananas. You can see the bananas behind me are ripening at a quick speed. Maybe we'll make some banana bread this weekend. But I got this. Doesn't this look so good? So Paul thought that looked really yummy, so I thought I would make it for him and maybe have a little bit to try. So yes, I can't wait to try this, even though I'm not a huge fan of their pancakes. Let me know if you get the Crusties, is that how you say it, Crusties? Pancakes from Costco, or just the big blue bags. I think they have them at all stores. I think they kind of have a funny aftertaste, like a tangy one. So we don't normally get those ones. That's why I love the Walmart brand, because I think those ones are the best to me. But I just recently saw a BuzzFeed article that said that Bisquick has the fluffiest pancakes, and that Trader Joe's pancake mix is like the best all around. So now I have to go back to Trader Joe's. I'm so glad for for the comments, for the suggestions for the Trader Joe's haul, that I'm looking forward to going back and getting some of those items that some of you suggested. Now, let me know in the comments if there are some things that you have to always get at Walmart and maybe I should be trying. So let me know in the comments. And again, I'm so grateful to all of you. I am ready to hit the sack. So have a wonderful evening, and you stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.